my spoil board. Is one piece of a 16-inch Home Depot shelf cup. Second piece, I put dominoes in here just purely for registration. And then I slide this wherever I need it. I get my workpiece. This is actually a project I cut out. And basically I'm just sizing this thickness or this thickness so that when they're in there, that's flush. Okay. Piece of the remaining shelf from this, I put up here, clamp this down, and I've got a workspace. On the actual board, once I made it, I basically did the grid off of this square, this edge here, and then put in index lines here and use the on tool text to basically do in millimeters. Okay, so this just helps me line my board up, line work up when I put it on there. I know my board actually is 800 millimeters wide. So 400 is pretty much my center, so I can use that, and it just helps you, you know, when I was doing these coasters, it just helps line it up so you can kind of figure out where things need to be for the offsets or whatever else, and that's it. So, you know.